Okay, how to find out the factors given polynomial? The geometrically. Here given the p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. X square positive numbers, so this is the x square tile, and negative 1, 2, 3. Here 3x means x tiles 3. Minus 4, negative number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one arrange a rectangular shape. I will check the given information how forming the rectangular are possible or not. Yeah, this is the left the place. So one more observation. Here also I will check. It is not possible to rectangular shape. So the left to the remain. So I applied the zero rule. Zero rule means one positive tile and one negative tile is equal to 0. So the one I included ఒక positive tile and negative tile. This one arrange -1 -1 -1. So this one also. Okay, with the 4 here arrange plus x 1 2 3 4 4. See here is the forming the rectangular, no? Forming the rectangular. So here x into x, this is the square box, no? X into x, 1x x minus 1 2 3 4, x minus 4. అదే విధంగా this side x plus only one positive, so this is the x plus 1. The answer is a length into breadth area. The factors x minus 4 into x plus 1. So okay, this is the factors. Okay, done.